It's important that you do something you like, something you're good at. It's so important. If you like what you do, it's not really a job. My name is Tim Carey. I run and operate Tim's Heating and Air Conditioning. I do heating, air conditioning, and plumbing. And so we do repairs, installation, a lot of troubleshooting, which is some people can do it, some people can't. Other people are good or not so good at it, but we're good troubleshooters. And our end product is pretty nice. So our installs look really good and most people are happy with it. Lived in Chicago for about 28 years. Moving to Dallas, Texas for a heating and air job. And I came to Fairfield. And this little town just kind of grows on you. I've been here almost 30 years now, and it's our best kept secret. Don't tell anybody about it. Before I started my own business, I worked with several companies, and I always felt like, you know, I could do a better job. It was scary for about the first 10 minutes, and then after that it was just making money. I've always thought that solar was a great idea. The sun is an unlimited source of energy, and the fact that we don't use it, but it's exciting that now we're using it more, and it's going to become huge as soon as we get rid of the fossil fuel industry and all that, change is usually slow, but it's coming, and so I always just thought it was a great idea. So solar has benefited my business by reducing my monthly electric bill a great deal. In daily operations, I know that the electricity that's being produced by my panel, if I don't use it all, I can sell it back to Alliance. So I think about how much energy I'm using, trying to be a little more energy conscious. It just kind of goes hand in hand. I want to say for sure, everything, it was a pretty seamless operation. The electricians, the installers, everybody was very professional. They came to me with questions if there was anything that had to be talked about or decisions to be made. Honestly, I was just completely satisfied with the install and the electricians and just the way they conducted themselves. It was really, the whole process was pretty easy. And so I was happy with all that. I would say to everybody, get the money and get it done. Because again, once you get it paid off, it's free electricity. And you're supporting, progress into the solar area, which we all have to be thinking about, globally. It's fossil fuels, we're killing the planet, right? With solar, it's a great product. I benefited, so you can too, because I think it's a great idea and you should get started today.
This is